Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply remove any background noise in your video clip in timeline in CapCut video editing software. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video here, if I play this video, so this particular video here has a kind of microphone background noise. How do we remove it from your video in your CapCut video editing software? Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and we navigate to audio tab right here. Under the audio tab, we want to make sure we scroll down right here. Then you have reduce noise right here. Go ahead and click on reduce noise. Noise reduced. It's that simple. So let's play on and the video again. You can see now the audio file of this particular video become calm. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.